Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes mouse wheel not working on Windows. Fix scrolling issues fast. First method is change mouse settings. Second method is update mouse driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.